My name's Dwain. I'm a special constable attached to the cybercrime department. So I've been a special constable for over a year now. In terms of my cybercrime role, basically we work on the 4 Ps, which is similar to the counter-terrorism. So we work on the prevent, protect, prepare and pursue. So my average day mainly is part of the protect element. So I may be delivering advice to businesses on how to stay safe online. Also maybe out and about, going to different areas to discuss cybersecurity. My work does touch upon some of the other elements. So the prevent, I'm currently creating a cyber escape room for NWP, which prevent nominals can use to practice their cybersecurity skills legally. Also, I have done some work on the pursue element, whereby I was asked to analyse some digital evidence, and from there I prepared a statement as well. Also, I'm a member of something called the CDSV, which other police forces from around the UK are able to have a look at my expertise and then request my assistance if needed. So I have worked with the Metropolitan Police and also Tarian, which is the Regional Organised Crime Unit for South Wales. The good thing about being a special constable attached to the cybercrime department is I do a lot of networking. So I've met loads of different people, and I've also gained new contacts, and also the teamwork element. So I work with a really good team, and I've learned quite a bit from that team. It doesn't have to be complex to stay safe online. It's just looking at the key behaviours and being cyber aware. So it's about having a strong, long password, about 15 characters long. That can be 3 random words. About using a password manager, backing up your data, and also turning on automatic updates on all your devices. I was able to progress the cybercrime unit because of my experience. So I have a master's in cybersecurity, and I previously worked for police in the staff role in sort of various IT roles. So the good thing about being a special constable is you're able to progress into different areas depending on your skill set. So that could involve joining the drones team, the road safety unit, the rural crime unit, or PVPU.